Is it good? Is it good? Can I have it?
She's having major meltdown if you take the apple away. Can you let that apple, please? Oh no.
Oh no.
Leave that open. Kennedy!
What's the problem? Now, please.
Don't touch your apple. Look, watch. Watch.
I don't know.
Cut it out,
You should have seen it earlier.
I don't know what happened. She's not happy. You take the apple. Hi. Just in time for pizza.